We're sure you've heard all about epilators by now, but you might not be sure what they are and how exactly to use them. So we've decided to tackle this topic for you and answer every question you've ever had about epilators. Epilators are small at-home hair removal machines that use many tiny mechanical tweezers to pull out all your unwanted hair from the roots. These pocket-sized hair removers are rechargeable and sometimes waterproof as well. They typically cost between 2,000 and 8,000 rupees. Although this might sound expensive as a one-time cost, it can be extremely cost-effective in the long run if you're someone who pays for hair removal in a parlor. You can buy these online on sites like Amazon or Flipkart, or in electronic or beauty supply stores in person. Epilators can be used on any part of your body as well as your face, and there are even special facial epilators available. The best thing about them is that they're super easy to use at home. You can use your epilator anywhere and anytime you choose to, but just remember that it will leave the removed hair wherever you use it, so there is some cleanup required. The epilating process is pretty similar to waxing because it also removes the hair from the roots. This means that results can last from 2 to 4 weeks depending on the person. Another great benefit about epilating is that the hair only needs to be 0.5 millimeters in length, while waxing needs the hair to be 2 millimeters in length. We're sure that this was probably the first question on your mind. The answer is yes, it does hurt. Since the process involves pulling out your hair, there's bound to be some pain involved, but it's definitely not unbearable and not much worse than waxing. The pain also does reduce over time as your body gets used to the sensation. Just like waxing, this hair removal method will probably cause some bumps and redness just after use. Although this is completely normal, we do recommend epilating at night instead of just before a special event so that the redness can subside by morning. We suggest exfoliating the day before you plan to epilate because it'll make the hair much easier to remove and will also prevent ingrown hair in the long run. Then you can get into a comfortable position for the part of your body that you plan to epilate in a place that's easy to clean up. Epilators usually have 2 speeds, and the one that you choose is totally up to you and what makes you feel comfortable. It might be easier to start slow and then increase the speed. The machine may sound pretty scary and loud for the first time that you're using it, but you will get used to it. Hold the epilator at a 90-degree angle to your skin, pull the skin tight, and then move it in the direction of hair growth. This process needs absolutely no pressure, just light contact with your skin. Moving it in the wrong direction will cause your hair to break halfway instead of properly removing it at the roots. We recommend starting at one spot and then working your way up in small batches and going over the area a few times to get all the hair off. Once you're done, you can treat any redness or irritation by applying some aloe vera gel or going over the area with an ice cube. You can also apply a non-comedogenic moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated, but never use coconut oil as it will clog your pores. Most epilators come with a small brush that can be used to clean up any hair that's stuck inside. Then you can use a cotton pad soaked in rubbing alcohol to wipe it down. It's really important to keep your epilator clean to avoid infections from future uses. We hope that this helps you figure out whether epilating is the right hair removal method for you. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.